How to remove limited access restrictions on Discord. So if you open up your Discord client or even through the application, you won't be able to do anything from here. So what you want to do is just to open up any working or preferred web browser on your end. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just simply type in support.discord.com, in which you will be redirected to Discord's official support website. In here, type in limited access and then just simply choose on limited access FAQs. So you can actually take time to read under there frequently answered questions, so why you are having into limited access only. Now once you have took time to read these FAQs located on their site, then you'll have to submit a request or a ticket. Click on submit a request to the bottom part of that page, and then in here just choose on help and support, and then just simply type in your email address. The type of question is going to be a general question, and then under subject just simply type in limited access, and then just input that specific description that you're encountering on your end, and then if you do have any attachments or maybe screenshots, just simply upload it here. Now hit on submit and then just simply wait for the customer service or support from Discord to get back to you once they already have a specific resolution of that issue. So that is how you fix limited access restrictions removed in Discord.